is a pretty dark place, but even some areas are darker than another. Have you ever heard of black holes? You might well have done. We're not talking about a hole in the ground, we're talking about the ones that astronomers believe that exist in our gigantic universe. Despite their name, scientists believe that there is something more about this object. So, where exactly is a black hole? One star's end is a black hole beginning. Most black holes form from the remnant of a large star that died in a supernova explosion. Smaller stars became dense neutron stars which are not massive enough to trap light. When a large star runs off its fuel, it can no longer support its heavy weight. The pressure from the star's massive layers of hydrogen presses down, forcing the star to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Eventually, the star will get even smaller than an atom. Imagine that for a moment an entire star squished up into a less space than a tiny atom. How can something get smaller by retaining the same amount of mass? It is really quite simple. If you take a sponge the size of a soda can, you can easily squish it into your hand until it's completely covered. But here is the interesting part. If you make something smaller by squishing it, its gravity became much stronger. Imagine that. If you squish a star into the size of an atom, how powerful its gravity would become. A black hole's gravity becomes so powerful that anything, including light, can get too close, gets pulled in. That's right, not even light can escape the grasp of a black hole. Whatever happened in a black hole, stay in a black hole.